Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a chevron bracelet using these colors. So as you can see, I have used a variety of colors, the rainbow colors, and I will start making this bracelet by finding the middle of my cords. So my cords are about 70 to 75 centimeters long. I'll find the middle of those cords and I will create a loop for the bracelet closure. So I have made this loop and I will attach this loop like this with the clamp to the table so that I can arrange the cords. So I will put the cords in the color order according to their to how dark the colors are. So I will put the darker colors first. I will begin with the black color. So I will put the cords in this order like this. And then for the next row I will begin with the black color. So half of the cords have been ordered from black to yellow. And then I will continue by ordering them in the same order. So that the yellow color is on the margin. Then comes the orange color, the red color, green, blue and black. Like this. And I will start making the knots. I will start with the black color. I will create the shape of the number 4 like this with the blue cord, like the blue cord that is next to the black color, and I will create this number 4, and with my forefinger I will grab the cord and put it through the loop, and I will create the first knot. Again I will create the shape of the number 4, and with my forefinger I will take the cord out through the loop and create the second knot. Now my cord, my black cord is next to the green cord, and again on the green cord, so I'll put away the blue cord. On the green cord I will create this shape of the number 4, and I will take the cord out through the loop and make one knot and the second. So I have created 2 knots here on the green cord. Now I will take the next cord, the red cord, and again I will make this shape of the number 4 like this, and I will make one knot and the second knot like this. I'll take the orange cord and I will make one knot and the second knot like this. And on the last cord, the yellow cord, I will make one knot and the second knot. Like this. And now I have brought the black cord in the middle. And I will start with the other side. And I will make the knots in the mirror. So I will create the shape of the number 4 but in the mirror like this. And with my index finger I will take the cord out through the loop like this and make one knot and another knot. I put the orange cord away, I take the red cord. I create the shape of the number 4 in the mirror, and with my index finger I take the cord out through the loop and make one knot and the second knot. Like this. I put the red cord away. Now I will create the shape of the number 4 like this, and I will make one knot, and again I create the shape of the number 4 in the mirror, and with my index finger I grab the yellow cord, take it out through the loop and create the second knot. I put away the green cord. Now I will make the knot in the mirror on the blue cord. I make one knot. Again on the blue cord I make the second knot. I put the blue cord away and I will make also on the black cord one knot and the second knot. And I also put the black cord away, and now I have here in the middle the two cords, the black cord that was on this side and the yellow cord that was on this side. And now I will create with the black cord on the yellow cord the number 4 like this. With my index finger I take out the back of the number 4, so the cord. I take the cord out through this loop and I make one knot and the second knot. Like this. So we have created our first V of the chevron. Half of it is black, as you can see, and half of it is yellow. And let's continue now with the blue cord that I will also bring in the middle here, and then with the orange cord that I will bring into the middle here. Then I will use the green cord and I will bring it also into the middle. Then I will use the red cord and bring it in the middle. Then I will use the orange cord from here, bring it in the middle, and then I will use the blue cord from here and bring it in the middle, and so on until I get to the center here. So the process will be that I will create knots from the outside towards the inside. With the outside cord I create a row on the left side, then on the right side, then again with the cord on the outside I will create a line of knots on the left side, then with the cord on the right side, I will create a line of knots on the right side, and so on. So let's continue with the blue cord. I will continue making knots with the blue cord until I obtain the length that I need for my bracelet. And then I will show you how to make the closure of the bracelet. So I will make 2 knots on the green cord with the blue cord, like this. Then I will take the blue cord and the red cord, and I will make knots on the red cord. Then I will make knots on the orange cord, 1 and 2 knots. Then on the yellow cord, 1 and 2 knots. Like this, and on the second yellow cord, 1 and 2. And now, as you can see from a closer distance, I have a black line and a blue line until the half here. And now I will use the green cord to make the orange cord to make another line, a second line, parallel with the with the yellow line. So I will have the yellow line, and then I will have an orange line. So I will continue making the knots, but in reverse. So the number 4 in reverse on the right side. And I will create a second orange line. As you can see, I have the first knot here, and I will create another orange line here. So let's continue, and once I have created more knots, I will show you what it looks like. Now I have made the last row of the bracelet, and now I will start closing the bracelet. And in order to close the bracelet, I will create some braids. I'll group the cords 2 by 2 and start braiding. And I will create a knot here at the end of the cord. Like this. And I will also group these cords 2 by 2 and create the braiding. And now I will also make a knot at the end of this cord. So I have created a knot at the end of both cords, and now I will take the scissors and cut those cords like this. And now let's see what the bracelet looks like, the finished bracelet. So this is the finished bracelet. In order to close this bracelet, I will take one of those cords and put it through the loop here, like this, and this is how I will close the bracelet, by using these two cords. And now let's see what the bracelet looks like on the wrist. So I'll put the bracelet on the wrist like this and make a knot here. And this is what the bracelet looks like on my wrist. So this is the closure and this is the bracelet.